So this is a pound dollar analysis for Friday, 24th of November. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices on the 23rd. So we've got 23rd that began there. We've had a somewhat tight range on the pound USD. So we've had a strong move to the upside. We didn't quite get up to 33.50 to test this major level in around 33.50. Instead, we had turned around, and before that, we did have news out in regards to the pound. Around the 9:30 region, so we did see some sell side momentum come into the market. The candles were not as decisive as these candles over here, which pretty much formulated this move to the upside. But instead, we saw these small candles, and we saw this candle with large wick to the downside, news-related candle. So we've tried to recover up to retest these highs up here. We weren't able to. We've pulled back again. We've pulled back again. So prices, the bulls seem to be having difficulty moving up towards that 33.50, and it does seem that the bears have stepped into the market somewhat. So let's have a look at where we could potentially see prices go. So from here, we were looking for potentially for prices to come down to 32.81. We'll see if we get a bullish reaction from 32.81 to retest the probably the most previous highs in around 1330 region before we're looking for a retest of 33.50. Beyond which we're looking at 33.68. Now, if we move beyond 33.68, the very next level after that would be all the way up at 34.29. But the primary direction at present does seem to be slightly to the downside, as we have stalled and we are putting in lower highs on this time frame. So we do look for potential areas where we might find support. So potentially we're looking at 32.81. Beyond 32.81, we're looking all the way down at this region just here. I'm just going to check where that region is, where we have seen some buy side momentum come into the market. So we're looking all the way down at 32.20. In around at 32.20 again, we're looking for some buy side momentum coming to the market from this level here where we have found support. Potentially looking for a retest of a 32.81 from underneath. If we don't break down from 32.81, we're looking for these retest highs in around 33.30, beyond which we're looking for the major level of 33.50. But again, if we get all the way down to 32.20, I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 33.50. Now, if we do move beyond 32.20, again, we have to see how prices react to this 200 period moving average, and beyond which we're looking at the 31.93 and 400 period moving average. I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond possibly the 400 period moving average, because the next major level is all the way at 31.47 due to the fact that we have a limited session as we have a US holiday. I don't think there'll be enough market volatility to take us all the way down to 31.47 unless there's a strong fundamental catalyst. So to the upside, we're possibly limited by 33.50 unless we see a turnaround at 32.81, in which case we may go beyond 33.50. If, however, we do have a deeper retracement all the way down into possibly 32.20, I don't anticipate beyond 33.50 will come into focus. Again, to the upside, the very extended level is all the way up at 34.29. Now, I've mentioned the levels to the downside, so we're just going to have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound. It is a pretty short one here on the pound USD analysis. We've mentioned all the levels to the upside and the areas to the downside. So if I head over to the daily chart, if we can get this loaded and get the scaling on here correct. So on this daily chart, what we did see was we saw this grinding price action. We saw this bullish blow-off candle here at the end of the move, a very large candle closing near its highs. And what we subsequently seen on the 23rd is this bearish candle being posted, a pullback candle. It does have a wick to the downside. It is small in size in terms of the candle body, so it does look more of a pullback than a reversal at present. At present, it does look a pullback rather than reversal. So we'll see how prices react in around at 32.81 before we're looking for possible retest of 33.50, beyond which we're going to 34.29. Due to the fact that we have that US holiday again, 34.29 would likely be a bit. It would probably be far out of the range at present due to the lower volatility we'd likely expect. So yeah, that should wrap up the pound USD analysis. Thanks for watching.